Hello, everyone. Today we'll be addressing the main arguments presented by the opposition to the Berlin Tesla Gigafactory, which were the environmental effects of deforestation, the amount of water usage, the reliance on rare earth metals for the batteries, and the concerns of local citizens.
The Grünheide site was originally designed for cardboard manufacture. Tesla planting new trees and in greater quantities all over the world is therefore an opportunity to create a carbon sink, allowing local ecosystems to regenerate and counter greenhouse gas emissions. Pertaining to the impacts on the local fauna, Tesla has worked closely with environmental agencies to ensure the safe relocations of vulnerable animal species such as the western barbus owl. Furthermore, it is important to note that while so far only the construction of the factory has begun, the entirety of the 300 hectares are intended to be used to render the Berlin Gigafactory the most advanced high-volume electric vehicle production plant in the world through cutting-edge and sustainable facilities. As solar panels require very little cooling, Tesla's investment in sustainable technologies will allow the company to lower its CO2 emissions and water consumption. Tesla has mitigated its consumption in all its facilities with waterless car wash methods, for example, in order to minimize environmental impacts and its reliance on local resources. Furthermore, Tesla is continuously determining new ways of mitigating its use of water supplies, reducing water usage by 45% to 2.9 cubic meters per vehicle from 2018 to 2019.
Due to the ethical and environmental downsides of cobalt extraction, Tesla has been working to phase out the use of cobalt in their batteries. In May, they began collaborating with an external battery company to begin the development process. Although the technology to make cobalt-free batteries has not yet been perfected, the company has shown its intent to hold itself accountable and continue innovating for a more ethical power source. An upside of lithium batteries is their high potential for reuse, which can significantly reduce the impact and demand for lithium mining over time. The batteries themselves can be cycled through a variety of applications during their 15 to 20-year lifespan before the materials are recycled to create new ones. As the use of lithium-ion batteries is integral to the proliferation of electric vehicles, they may be necessary for a short period in order to compete with another harmful sector, fossil fuel extraction. As EVs grow in popularity, we expect that they will also see increases in efficiency and innovation, which could reduce the current concerns around their use. Throughout the construction process, Tesla has been open to public participation and input. Project documents and plans have been open to public review and critique multiple times since before the project was approved. Tesla's EIA was made available to the public in multiple locations as well as online. In September, a months-long process of public review concluded in a public hearing to address further concerns. Furthermore, while internal disputes among environmental agencies did cause some backlash initially, by March, a coalition of agencies, including NABU, Bund, and the Green League, announced their intentions to allow the project to continue. Germany's Green Party has also lent their support to the Gigafactory and even criticized the actions of some environmental groups for causing a halt in construction.
Because Tesla's primary objective is to optimize environmental welfare, they've taken several proactive steps to reduce any adverse effects, and they've adhered to all of Germany's very strict environmental regulations. To minimize any potential long-term effects, though, we suggest that Tesla conducts annual environmental assessments. By phasing out cobalt and establishing a battery recycling program, Tesla is drastically reducing the negative socio-environmental effects on the lithium triangle. Considering Tesla's consistent technological innovation, the batteries will likely become safer and more efficient each year. Lastly, Tesla has encouraged public participation at every stage so that they could ease the concerns of local citizens. Other Gigafactory locations have seen an improvement in local economic well-being, and we expect the Berlin location will as well. Thank you for listening to our main rebuttal arguments.